Hey folks, today I'm diving into why sweet potatoes are an absolute game changer for your diet. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or just looking to eat a bit healthier, this root veggie is about to become your best mate. First off, let's talk nutrients. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals. You've got vitamin A, which is great for your eyesight and immune system. And don't forget about vitamin C, perfect for your skin and fighting off those nasty colds. Now here's something that might surprise you. Sweet potatoes are low on the glycemic index, which means they won't spike your blood sugar like regular potatoes or white bread. That's a win for anyone keeping an eye on their blood sugar levels, but wait, there's more. These tubers are loaded with fiber. Fiber is essential for good digestion and can help you feel fuller for longer. So if you're trying to shed a few pounds, sweet potatoes can keep those hunger pangs at bay. And here's the kicker. They're incredibly versatile. You can bake them, mash them, roast them, or even toss them in a smoothie. Yes, you heard that right, a smoothie. The natural sweetness can add a delicious twist to your morning drink. Let's not forget about the antioxidants. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and can even boost your brain function. Now, for those of you hitting the gym, sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbs. They give you that slow, steady release of energy, perfect for powering through your workouts. Plus, they replenish your glycogen stores, helping with recovery. All right, so how do you incorporate more sweet potatoes into your diet? Start simple. Swap out your regular fries for sweet potato fries, or try a sweet potato and black bean chili. It's a hearty and healthy option, and here's a pro tip. Keep the skin on. The skin is where a lot of the nutrients are. Just give them a good scrub before cooking. So there you have it. Sweet potatoes aren't just a tasty treat, they're a powerhouse of nutrition. Add them to your meals and feel the difference in your energy levels, digestion, and overall health. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you're planning to use sweet potatoes in your diet. Catch you next time.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest.